So in tonight's class, we started with a concept of taking a step to the side and the men doing an embellishment where they extend their leg forward. And I actually make contact with Shelley's foot here, and I tuck, and then continue forward to the cross. So again, we were dancing to very slow music and really taking our time, stretching the steps out, stretching the time, and then to the cross and out. So one of the things we talked about was extending the leg forward without the hip coming forward, particularly in close embrace. In order for me to have room over here, I need to leave my hip behind as I extend my leg forward. Then we added to this. When I step forward, I just take one step, change weight, and then create a parada and a sandwich. Sandwich for her, and she does any embellishments, and she steps through to a side, and then we're out. So all of this continues in the line of dance. And out. So one of the things that we talked to the guys a lot about was right here, stepping forward, not stepping away from her. That here, I actually make contact, and here I step close to her. I don't step out and away from her. And then here, I bring my feet completely together, switch weight, and then create the sandwich. And then I don't go in too deep here, behind her foot. I go more to the side, or to the forward part of her foot. We did talk about one embellishment that is one of our favorites, which is I actually intentionally go deep. And then I back out of it. So that's a possibility there. But here I go to the inside, or sorry, the outside of her foot, but to the forward part of the foot. Then a sandwich. And then as I step back, I open up space for her to go through. And then I continue around to one more side step for her and out. One thing for the women that we talked about, especially at the Parada here and the sandwich, is that when she steps through, again, she uses that same technique of extending her leg and then pushing off the back leg to get a nice step with some nice energy behind it. One of the things that I would say for women to look out for is taking a super teeny tiny step here. A lot of women just step right there, and it just really kills the energy of the step. It changes it. Instead of stepping